Hi and welcome to this video. Today I will show you the benefits of SDA and what it is in the SAP HANA Cloud. In the SAP HANA Cloud, SDA stands for Smart Data Access. This feature allows querying data from external data sources in SAP HANA Cloud as if they were local tables. SDA provides a virtual data access layer to access external data sources without physically replicating the data in SAP HANA. The functionalities we have with SDA are first, virtual data access, which means SDA enables seamless integration of external data sources such as Hadoop, other SAP HANA systems or relational databases into SAP HANA Cloud without actually migrating or replicating the data. Second, the SQL-based access. Users can use SQL queries to access data in external sources as if they were stored locally in SAP HANA Cloud. This simplifies access and integration of data from various sources. As a small example, suppose a company has data in an external Hadoop distribution and wants to analyze this data in SAP HANA Cloud without copying it. With SDA, the company can create a virtual table in SAP HANA Cloud that references the data in Hadoop. By using SQL queries on this virtual table, users can directly access the Hadoop data as if they were stored in SAP HANA Cloud and perform analysis or reports without replicating the data. Overall, SDA in SAP HANA Cloud facilitates access to external data sources and enables companies integrate heterogeneous data landscapes without replicating large amounts of data. I hope I could show you something about SDA. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.